Hello guys, today we will learn uh, uh, identify XPath locator using inner text. Okay, go to here. Here we can pick on any of the element for that. Take inner text, right? Okay, I'm going with the forgot password. Okay, forgot password. We have inner text. Okay, now identify the XPath locator by using inner text, right? Control F to Control F. Inner text is there. What is the tag name? Link A, right? Anchor tag slash slash A. Text, inner text, right? Text equal to means we are identifying the element with complete text. Okay. See, this is how we are going to identify the complete text. So here I am writing right XPath, right XPath using inner text to locate the element. So this is the one inner text. We can identify for some other element where button. For button we have inner text, right? Login. So copy this. Text is same. Okay. But here the link is anchor tag is not A, it's a button. Provide here button. Okay. See, then correct. So like this. I think this is very helpful session. Thank you.